So I've noticed that I'm about 30 subscribers away from 700, which is crazy, and I never thought that I would get this many people checking out my channel, let alone subscribing to it. So I was thinking, and I also was getting inspired by like other fetish YouTubers that sell custom clips. And I was thinking, if I reach 1,000 subscribers, that maybe I could start selling clips too, custom videos. And I don't know, I think that it would be an awesome thing to do for people who, I'm sorry, I'm sneezing a lot, obviously, so it's hard for me to keep my train of thought. But anyway, I would think it would be awesome to sell people custom video clips tailored to what they like. So I don't know. Leave your thoughts in the comments below, because I'm curious if anybody would actually be interested in purchasing clips from me. There are so many out there, like so many media influencers that already sell clips. So I don't know, I mean, I like to think I'm a little different. I don't know. This is just a random video, wondering if once I hit 1,000 subscribers, so I'm like 300 shy. It's just a random video. I'm wondering if you guys would be interested in something like that. So let me know in the comments below, and help me reach 1,000 subscribers. I can't wait. I'll get one more out for you. My eyes are watering, and all right. I'll see you guys later.